What is up? Good morning. It is a beautiful day in Orlando, Florida. Absolutely beautiful. We had a wonderful night. We stayed at a Bunk-a-biker. Absolutely amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing. I can't stress it enough how amazing Bunk-a-biker is. It's amazing. The people, everybody I've met so far, it's just been absolutely phenomenal. So much hospitality. The people here are freaking amazing. And yeah, so I can't stress it enough. If you guys are traveling motorcyclists, definitely look into Bunk-a-biker. Or if you guys like traveling on a motorcycle but you're not, think about hosting. Absolutely amazing. Thank you so much, Karina. Thank you so much. You have been absolutely amazing, and I really appreciate you letting me, me and him both stay, and showing like so much hospitality and stuff. But yeah, I was able to put some oil in my bike, guys. It was running a little bit low. You know, I had 913 miles since I got put last oil in, so it's definitely running a little low. And I also, you can realize that this is red now, guys. I cleaned my oil filter for the first time. I'd never done that before. When I bought this bike, it had this exhaust or air intake on it, and it was already not red. So yeah, it was definitely needed to happen for sure. Yep. So today we're going to we're actually in Orlando. We just came from Mims, which is closer east, and we're going to back to Mims area. We're going there for a SpaceX launch. They're actually launching a rocket today at noon, so hopefully we'll make it there in time. Super excited about that. Hopefully we could be able to get that on video. Make sure everything's locked up. We're good. And yeah, super stoked about that, guys. So we made it to the park we're chilling at, and as you can see, we got a beautiful view of the I think it's actually a river.
Yeah, saltwater river.
Technically it's a saltwater river, but like just past that land over there is the ocean. But I don't know if you guys can see, there's a big building right there, and that's where the SpaceX is and the space station is. So hopefully we'll see the rocket get launched. I don't know if we'll be able to pick it up on GoPro, but I'll definitely get some video with my phone. Hopefully we'll be able to pick it up on that. But it should be any minute.
Still can't see the wheel.
Wow. That's crazy. Alrighty, guys. So basically, I don't know if you guys could pick up the launch on the GoPro. But basically, I just met someone who actually works in here. Me and Adrian's got somewhere to be. He met a girl, so he's gonna go see a girl. But I just met someone at the place we were viewing the launch, and she just hooked me up. She works at a kayaking place, so she just hooked me up with a local kayaking place, and I think she just gave me like a half day for free. And we're gonna go check that out. It's like 23 minutes away from here, so yeah, I think they're gonna just meet me at the put-in, and yeah, so it'll be super sweet. But yeah, the bike is really loving me now because I cleaned the air intake. So yeah, that's good. It's actually red now. Can you believe that? It was like black, like essentially like dark black. So it looks a whole lot better now.
This is crazy, guys. I can't believe she like let me do this. There's definitely some fish back in there. So what I'm gonna do, I'll probably start heading back, and then probably gonna let that kid use the kayak because he's fishing. Oh, did you see that fish just jump up? What? Well, here, I'll call you back. I'm about to get out of this kayak, or try to. Alright. Alright. Where'd the kid go?
I heard what you were saying. You were gonna let him use it.
Yeah, I was gonna let him use it.
I think it's down if I can beg it, but
A1A Beach Rentals and Outdoor Center is where I just got that kayak on this beautiful water. Well, that was awesome, guys. I ended up chilling at that little dock area with Bill. That he was like a old man just chilling at the dock. He lives actually in these condos. Super nice guy. We ended up like talking for a while. But sure enough, some dolphins actually ended up coming up saying hey to us. They were it's feeding time. So that was super cool. He literally told me, he was like, yep, around 3:30, 4 o'clock they start showing up, and sure enough, around 3:30 they literally popped up, and yeah, there was about like 6 of them there. Super awesome. Right really close to us. They weren't like really getting to us, so unfortunately I wasn't able to get it on GoPro. All right, so super sandy road, and I hate sand. Oh my gosh, I hate sand so much, especially with all this weight on the back. This shit sucks, and it's super bumpy. I got like 0.7 miles left of this. Shit sucks. Oh, when it's sandy, it gets these weird bumps, and they suck. So bumpy, my phone just took a screenshot. I heard it. Fuck. I'm leaving. Jesus Christ, I got a dog on me, guys. Okay, backed up. Well, I made it to the paradise, I guess, for tonight. Said there's alligators in here, so that's should be fun. But yeah, so made some camp. I'm gonna set up camp and just do whatever, I guess. I don't know, maybe explore. It's a big property and a couple other campsites. But yeah, that's it. That's it for tonight.
Definitely pretty interesting out here. But I'm all packed up. And I almost forgot this, which is my pillow. Let's see, where can I stuff that real quick? Yeah, no, like for sure, always check if you have everything. Always, 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 always. Oh man, it is just stupid sandy. I'm already losing traction. Oh, it's so bumpy. Oh my gosh, it's gonna rattle my shit loose. Yes. Yes. Yeah, so I learned yesterday that if you're speeding over 30 miles an hour over the speed limit, then they will literally take your vehicle. Like they'll take it, they'll confiscate it, like impound it type shit. So that's good information to know. Currently I'm going 75 in a 55. All the way! Woo! Yeah. Look how beautiful this is. Let's go to the beach. Beach. It's beautiful out here, guys. Super blue water. This is as close as we could pretty much get it right here. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Woo, baby. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.